This is a big old pecan log. Today we're going to tackle this thing, and we're going to try to cut it up to see if we can get any quality wood out of it to make a island kitchen tabletop. I don't know if we're going to achieve that goal, but you know, we're going to give it a shot and see here. Cut some smaller pieces yesterday on the sawmill, and actually it turned out really nice. I was very intrigued with it. So we'll stay tuned. We'll show you more here in a little bit.
Got to release it pressure. I mean, it's going to be hard to hook up because we got pressure on it.
Hard to hook up. Ain't nothing hard to hook up. You got to go down a little bit.
No, I got to hook the shoulders up first.
That help you a little bit?
Yeah, it does. Hey.
Listen to that shit. Huh. Got one side. You gotta get it more straight. What about that bottom pin? It ain't in there.
Well, that didn't have to be yet. I just got to get this hooked up in there.
It's lined up now. You go stand it up. Okay, we got the grappler hooked up now. Now we're gonna go grab a piece of wood. You gotta give it some more.
Okay, look, I'm gonna look at it.
Go there. Put a little to it.
There it is.
That's the dog we got in there. Jaws are good. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get a big old pecan log. We're gonna get it over there by that little sawmill. We're gonna see if we can get any nice slabs out of it. Dig in that ground, that'll make Joyce happy. Dig that dirt all up. I said dig in that ground and dig all that dirt up, that'll make Joyce happy. Make your wife happy, boy. Yeah, you plant a garden right there. Yeah?
Okay. I'm gonna grab it on the end.
You grab it on the end. We got our professional operator, Mr. Kelly Sbrusch here. Any of y'all need some wood down there in Jackson County area around Edna, Texas. Kelly got a sawmill down here. He got too much on there. You got one tire spinning. Digging the whole back of that tire on the ground. John Deere 5055 heat with a 553 loader on it. Who need 4-wheel drive? You can run it on 3 wheels. Y'all need 4-wheel drive. You can do it 3 wheels on that John Deere.
Yeah, it's off the ground.
It was off the ground at 10 inches.
It'll be snapping. All right, now we're gonna figure out how long you want.
Yeah, you at the end.
Yeah, it ain't quite 16. 15, 10 inches.
So just split it right in the middle.
Okay.
We'll cut it right down the middle. We'll make a 7-foot top for the island kitchen. Nobody said we gotta have 8 foot. Nobody said we gotta have 6 foot.
That's right. It would be how big a table you want.
That's right.
If I wanted 2 more inches, I'll get 2 more inches.
That's right.
But I like a sharper, I get to take a sharper.
We have our own custom tabletop. Our island kitchen top.
So that would
be. Yeah. You got your marker so we can mark that marker?
Got the marker.
That's that Bohemian marker.
There you go.
What's the name of your company?
I don't know. I ain't got no name yet.
He got an I don't know company yet. Yeah. But we're going to create him one here pretty soon. We got it.
Somebody come up with a good name. We ready.
God damn, watch out. Another one. Got it cut in half now. That big old pecan log. Now we're going to have 4-wheel drive tractor, not 3-wheel drive tractor. Okay, we out here now. We're getting that tractor to bring that log around. We're going to put it on this little Norwood saw. See what kind of beautiful lumber we can get out of this thing. moment there. We had to reset the actual bridge or the table. We bumped it a little bit with that big John Deere tractor, so we had to take a short split second there to redo things. We're trying to get back on there now though. Tilt it a little more forward, you can get that gadget underneath it.
Do what?
If you roll it a little bit more forward, about 3 inches, you'll be able to get that the thingamajiggies on the bottom down there in it.
Okay. Larry, what do you think? You know, it's kind of leaning up. Should I put some blocks underneath that? Or we're going to make it squared up anyway?
Yeah, it's going to be squared up. Once you square it, you make 2 cuts, so you flip it back on the flat side, and it ain't going nowhere.
Right. And then we're going to be fine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, we ain't going to be able to move it. I need to go forward.
If you just roll it forward.
I can roll it. Hold on, I'll put my log right here.
Just roll it.
Oh, there it is.
There it is, right there. Now put your stops on it. Get your tractor, we'll put your stops on it, you got it. Damn, us professionals know what we doing, right? Hey, thing fell out of the box. Damn, boy. I think we're gonna push this sawmill to the limit on this log.
So now let me get that.
Yeah, move that tractor. We get the other thing set up in there. Yeah, Mr. Kelly, he's a professional operator, John Deere professional operator. Your wife gonna get all over his butt for rubbing up that yard like that. I guarantee you.